All right, in order to use Poster My Wall and create your digital poster, you will need to go down to the genre folder in Schoology, and you will need to choose the link for Poster My Wall. When you come here for the first time, you will be not signed in, and you will see a screen that looks like this. You'll need to click the login button. You're going to log in with Google. Choose your account, and then you will get to this screen. We are going to create a design. The first thing you need to do is search for your template. You're going to search here. Note that every template has pieces that can be moved. So if you don't like part of the template, you can easily delete it. So if you are going to search for something related to your genre, I'm going to choose mystery, but you can't just enter your genre. You will not find templates specifically for your genre. You might need to search for things that are related to your genre. For example, if I'm choosing the mystery genre, I might look for City at Night. That kind of feels like mystery type things. I might choose this one. I could choose this one. This feels sort of mysterious. This one feels sort of mysterious. So I can choose, I could look for maybe a forest would be another one for mystery. This looks kind of mysterious. This one also looks kind of mysterious. So I'm going to choose my template, and then I'm going to click Customize. Now the things that are required to be on my poster are my name, my genre name, list your 5 characteristics, and your three book titles that you wrote on the back. So your planning sheet is really a guide for you to create the poster. So I'm going to change this. Right now it says forest. I'm going to change it, and I'm going to make it say mystery because that's my genre. I can change the style of my text. I can change the colors of my text. I can change how my text looks. So feel free to spend some time experimenting with the options that you have. Okay? If I need to insert text, I can do it from here. And it's kind of backwards, so I would add my text, choose my effect, choose my text, and then type my text here. Contains suspense. I'm going to delete this. So, and you can preview what it will look like right here. So maybe I'm going to add that. I add it, and then I can make it bigger, and I can move it around in my poster. So when you are all done for the day, most important thing is you have to save your work. So you click Save right here. Your design has been saved. Then you can click Close. Very important that you do that. This is not like Google and does not save your work automatically. So next time when you come to class with me and you go to Poster My Wall, you will be able to choose My Stuff, and you will see your work there. All right, good luck. Have some fun experimenting with Poster My Wall. Try out things, click things. You can always undo, and you can always fix it. Hope you have a great day today.